Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Subject Applied Mathematics. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter name is 9 and this one for mechanical engineer student only, probability distribution. Introduction. Let a coin be tossed. Nobody knows what we will get, whether a head or tail, but it is certain that either a head or tail will occur in a similar way if a die is thrown. We get any of the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, but nobody knows which one will occur. Experiments of this type, where the outcome cannot be predicted, are called random experiment. The word probability or chance is too commonly in day-to-day life. For example, the chances of India and South Africa winning the World Cup cricket before the start of the game are equal, that is 50-50. We often say that it will rain tomorrow, probably I will not come to the function today. All these terms, chance, probable, etc., convey the same meaning, that is, that the event is not certain to take place. In other words, there is uncertainty about the happening of the event. The term probability refers to randomness and uncertainty. Trail and event. Consider an experiment of throwing a coin. When tossing a coin, we may get a head or tail. Here, tossing a coin is a trail, and getting a head of a tail is an event. From a pack of the cards, drawing any three cards is trial, and getting a king or queen or a jack are events. Throwing a dice is a trial, and getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 is an event. Sample pace. The set of all possible cases on an experiment is called sample space, is denoted by capital S. Mathematical definition of probability. Probability of event E is equal to number of favorable cases upon total number of outcomes. That means P in bracket E is equal to M upon N, where M is number of favorable cases is equal to and N E and N is the number of cases, that is N of S we have to consider. That is number of exhaustive cases that we have to consider. Random variable. A function x which transforms events of the random experiment into the real numbers is called random variable. It is denoted as capital X from S to R, where S is the sample space of random experiment and capital R is the set of real numbers. For example, two coins are tossed at the time. Sample space is capital S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. If we take X number of heads appearing, then double H, that is heads and heads, become 2, heads and tails, tails and heads become 1, and TT become 0. Therefore, X is number of heads is a random variable. Types of random variable. There are two types of random variable known as discrete random variable and second continuous random variable. Discrete random variable, if a random variable takes only a finite or a countable number of values, it is called discrete random variable. For example, when two coins are tossed, the number of heads obtained is the random variable, and where x assume the value 0, 1, 2 up to dash, which is countable set. Such a variable is called discrete random variable. Now our main probability mass function, that is important. Capital X be discrete random variable with values x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Let p xi be the number associated with each xi. Then the function p is called probability mass function of x if it satisfies the condition. First, pxi greater than equal to 0 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Summation pxi is equal to 1. The set of order pairs x1, p in bracket x1 is called probability distribution of capital X. Continuous random variable. A random variable x is said to be continuous if it can take all possible values between certain limits. Example, lifetime of electric bulb in hours, height, weight, temperature, and etc. Find the probability distribution of x when tossing a coin when x is defined as getting a head. Let x denote getting a head. Probability of getting a head is equal to 1 upon 2. Probability of getting tail is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, the probability distribution of x given by x is equal to 0 and 1. P in bracket x equal to x 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Always remind that the total number of outcomes are 2. We have to select 1. That's why 1 upon 2 for head and 1 upon 2 for 12 is probability we have to consider. When throwing a die, what is probability of getting at a 4? Total number of cases here are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 there are outcomes. Number of favorable cases is 1. Probability of getting 4 m upon n. That's why 1 upon 6. A fair coin is tossed 3 times. When find the getting exactly 2 heads probability. Capital S is equal to obviously 2 coins are tossed 3 times means HHH, HHT, THH, HTH, H double T, THT, TTH, TTT. How many outcomes? Yes, it is exactly 8. N of S is equal to 8. What we have to find the probability of getting exactly 3 heads. Exactly 3 heads means what? It is 3 heads? No, it is 2 heads. That's why only 2 upper and appear in these outcomes are HHT, THH, HTH. N of A is equal to 3. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. 3 upon 8, that is equal to 0.375. Now, today's topic is obviously depend on the binomial distribution. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli 1654-705 in the year of 1700 and was first published in 1713. An experiment which two mutually disjoint outcomes is called Bernoulli's trail. The two outcomes are usually called success and failures. An experiment consisting of repeated number of Bernoulli's trail is called binomial experiment. A binomial distribution can be used under the following condition. The number of trial is finite. The number trial are independent of each other and the probability of success is constant from each trial. Probability function of binomial distribution in mathematical way. Let x denote the number of success in n trials satisfying binomial distribution condition. X is a random variable which can take the value 0, 1, 2 up to dash n. Since we get no success, one success or all n success. The general expression for the probability of x success is given by P in bracket capital X is equal to small x n cx p raised to x q raised to n minus x where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dash where p is probability of success and in each trial q is equal to 1 minus p where q is the failure condition and p is the success. Definition: a random variable x is said DTO follows the binomial distribution if the probability of mass function is given by p in bracket x equal to x n c x p raised to x q raised to n minus x is equal to 0, 1, 3 up to n is equal to 0 otherwise, where n and p are parameter of distribution. Constant of binomial distribution: mean is equal to n into p, variance is equal to npq, standard deviation under root npq. Note that 0 less than equal to p less than equal to 1, 0 less than equal to q less than equal to 1, and p plus q is equal to 1. In the binomial distribution, mean is always greater than variance. To denote the random variable x which follows binomial distribution with parameters n and p, that is x is similar b n comma p. Find n and p in the binomial distribution whose mean is 3 and variance is 2. Given mean is equal to 3, n into p 3 and variance npq is equal to 2. npq upon np is equal to 2 upon 3. Q is equal to np gets cancelled, q is equal to 2 upon 3. Now p is equal to 1 minus q, that's why p is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 3. P is equal to 1 upon 3 is the n and p value we have to derive. In binomial distribution, n is equal to 9, p is equal to 1 upon 3, which the value of variance. Solution: n is equal to 9, p is equal to 1 upon 3, q is equal to 1 upon p, q is equal to 1 upon 3, q is equal to 2 by 3. We know that variance is equal to npq. N is 9, p is 1 upon 3, q is 2 upon 3. We have to substitute and simplify. 9 gets cancelled. Variance is equal to 2. In tossing of 10 coin, what is the chance of having exactly 5 heads? The heads are tails. This is the option we have to consider. X denote number of heads there. P is equal to probability of getting only a head is 1 upon 2. Q 1 minus P 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Q is equal to 1 upon 3. N is equal to number of trial is 10. The binomial distribution is P in bracket x is equal to small x, where n cx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Probability of getting exactly 5 heads, p in bracket x is equal to 5 is equal to 10 c 5 1 upon 2 raised to 5 1 upon 2 raised to 10 minus 5. We have to compare n is equal to 10 q 1 upon 2 p 1 upon 2. Simplify 10 c 5 and simplification with consult with calculator 82 fx mx 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 base are same, power will be add 1 upon 2 raised to 10. We have the final answer is 63. 10 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 7 heads. N is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 upon 7, q is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. P in bracket x is equal to x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. 10 cx 1 upon 2 x 1 upon 2 10 minus x. Simplify base same, power add 10 cx is 1 upon 2 x plus 10 minus 10. Common term get cancelled. P in bracket x is equal to x 10 cx 1 upon 2 raised to t 10. Probability of at least 7 heads. Px greater than equal to 7 is equal to Px greater is equal to 7. Px is equal to 8. Px is equal to 9. Px is equal to 10. We have to put the values in each formula of 10cx. Then here x is 7, x is 8, x is 9 and x is 10. We have to take 1 upon 2 raised to 10 common. 10c7, 10c8, 10c9 plus 10c10. By evaluating calculator value, we derive 1 upon 2 raised to 10, 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1. 176 upon 1024 is probability of getting at least 7 heads is there.